Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a very refreshing drink that you can serve to your kids this summer. It's really good because it contains 100% fruits, no added sugar, no additives, no preservatives, nothing. And this is something that you can make in your kitchen. So we're going to be needing some pineapples, apples, oranges or tangerines, and carrots and strawberries. Okay, so this is really great this summer because it's all hot and we need something that can refresh us, hydrate us, and glow our skin and give us a healthy look. Okay, so you don't want to buy store-bought juice and give to your kids. I'll tell you a story of how I got orange juice from the store, and it was said to be 100% orange juice and then no added sugar. Okay, but then when I looked at the contents on the label, it said to have 25 grams added sugar per 240 mils of juice. That's just really too much. Okay, so and that's not all. I'm sure there's so many other juices that claim to have, no added sugar, but trust me, they have preservatives and, something that in its content that we don't want. Okay, so we want to make this by ourselves, and it's really easy, and the quantity you're going to get from it is going to last you a while, a couple of days. Okay, so we're going to be needing some apples. Apples have this innate ability to hydrate and, just chill the body, especially when you take it cold. Apples are nice. They're packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, okay? And you know that vitamin C promotes immune health. And this summer, you're going to be taking your kids out to the park, to the pool. You don't want them coming down with different ailments so easily, so you want to boost their immune health with something like this, as well, adding it to their diet, of course. And you know that apples, they just refresh you and they quench your thirst in hot days. If you ever doubt me, make this juice at home, and then when it's really hot, I'm going to show you how I'm going to show you the cubes that I made out of this. Just pour the juice in the cube tray and then freeze it, instead of the freezing water into ice cubes and then using it. Okay, it's really refreshing. And then apples also have this minute amount of potassium is necessary to hydrate the body, and it's great for good heart function. Okay, now I'm using a cold press juicer. That's all I have, and you may want to research more on cold press juicer and the masticating one. This one produces a more healthy result, and yes, I'm team healthy. Okay, and then we're also going to be using some carrots contain vitamin A, beta carotene. This is great for our skin health, especially when the weather is really getting to the extreme. It's really hot. It's going to prevent you from getting sunburned, and then just attacking the sun's UV rays that would have attacked your skin. Okay, it protects you from the sun's UV rays. Carrots also contain antioxidants, just like apples. So imagine we're using different fruits that have almost the same function. Vitamin C's, antioxidants, they protect the body from damage that would have been from free radicals, just in the air we inhale, that we eat, and all that. So carrots are great. And then carrots also contain 88% of water by weight. This is really good for hydration and maintenance of body temperature. So in this summer, we're all about body temperature. Kids go out to play. Of course, you give them loads of water, but when we give them juice, we want them to also benefit greatly from it, as regards to the weather as well. Also, carrots are also low in calories, which are also nice if you add it to your healthy lifestyle diet, your weight loss diet. They're low in calories. You can snack on it if you don't want to juice it, and if you do juice it, hey, it's low in calories, so you can take it and add it to your diet. And then pineapples, great pineapples. I always say, I'm gonna put a link down below on my video Asian recipes for common cold and flu for your kids and the full family, and pineapple pap. These are all recipes to help you to manage cold, flu, to shorten the course of the ailment, and just help you build your immune system. Pineapples contain bromelain. It's good in winter, it's good in summer. It's just great for our lung health, our respiratory health. Pineapples are a great source of vitamin B1, manganese, okay, because and these, both the vitamin B1 and manganese, they build our immune health. Immune health is great. It helps you fight away infections. If you have a great immune health, to help you fight away infections that you'd have just come down with unnecessarily. Yeah, so when you see all these fruits, when you see pineapples, when you see apples, oranges, you think vitamin C, you think water, hydration, you think colors, you think summer, okay? So this is great for your kids. I really advocate it, not just for your kids, okay, the full family. I take this as well. Imagine you're just coming into the house, and it's really hot outside. You just open your refrigerator and just pour yourself out some really cold natural juice that you made. This is really great, guys. So consider making this for your kids. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.